Hello everyone! May the joy and peace be with us all through the new year. Wishing everyone a season of blessings from heaven above. Merry Christmas everyone! Ma'am,
sapatos ako para maraming bigay.
Hello!
Sana niyo.
Hi guys!
hello everyone! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas everyone! Ano sasabihin mo kay Santa Claus?
Sana po ang
Mini toys. Oo, isang bag. Ha? Two. Oo. Baka matraffic eh. Mamaya babantayan mo dyan, sasalubungin mo. Ha? O matutulog ka muna. Ha? Behave ka daw, ha? O, sige pa. Sabihin mo kay Santa Claus. Ampusin mo Santa Claus. Ha? Okay. Kaway na. Kaway na. Toy. Okay. Merry Christmas.
If you want to achieve better results, make a great impression, at the same time at work, you should get Grammarly.